Same listing, same MLS data, 3 completely different brands, all powered by the same platform. This is AeroIDX, and your listings are about to look exactly the way you want them to. Your listing pages are where your leads actually decide if they trust you. So they shouldn't feel like a generic plugin, they should feel like you. AeroIDX is built to give you full control over how every listing looks, top to bottom. Start simple. Match your brand colors in seconds, your buttons, your forms, your accents. Drop in a hex code, hit save, and your listings instantly look like your site. For most agents, that's already exactly what they need. But if you want to customize everything, your fonts, your spacing, the entire feel of your listing page, AeroIDX gives you custom CSS. Think of it as the styling control room for your details page. And no, you don't need to be a developer. AeroIDX gives you a starter template built in. Copy it, drop it into ChatGPT, and just describe the look you want. Luxury coastal, downtown modern, cozy mountain, whatever fits your market. Once ChatGPT is done, copy the code, head back into AeroIDX, click New Theme, paste it in, give it a name, and hit Create. Just like that, your listings adopt the new look. And you're not limited to one look. Save unlimited themes and switch between them in a single click. Brokerage owners, every agent on your team gets their own branded theme. Want a fresh seasonal feel? Swap your spring look for summer in seconds, without ever touching your website. This is your listing page. This is the same listing page. AeroIDX is built for agents who care how their brand looks. Head to the link below for more information, and we'll show you what your listings could look like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ones.